Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dina. Today I'm doing another flat twist hairstyle which can be used for any occasions. As you can already tell, I love my flat twisting styles because they are easy, they're simple, and they can be done faster than regular hairstyles with the twisting. So I'm going to start with newly washed and clean hair. And as you can see, I already part my hair in 3 sections to make it easier for me to work with. So now I'm going to moisturize my hair, of course, with my water spray bottle. For added moisture, my water bottle always include aloe vera juice in it, as well as some oils. So any oils that you prefer, I usually use avocado oil, some olive oil, and a little bit of castor oil. I spritz on my hair with water and making sure that it's not too damp. And I will add my hair cream, which is Kento shea butter, which is the butter that I usually use for moisturizing my hair. This step is important when styling natural hair. It helps to promote healthy hair, and it also makes your hair easier to deal with, especially when you're twisting your hair, and that will also make your hair more defined once you're ready to style it. It's also great for detangling hairs. You do not want to detangle your hair dry. I'm pretty sure we all know this by now. So when you are detangling your hair, make sure that it is well moisturized. And for this hairstyle, especially for twisting your hair, it's always best to detangle your hair first because you don't want to be dealing with knots. My hair is already detangled, but for this purpose, I'm just finger detangling my hair to make sure that it is ready for me to twist it. I parted the section in two. I will be doing that for each of the sections. And because I want my hair to appear full, I will be doing the sections big enough so that it can give me the full appearance that I need for this hairstyle. If you don't know how to twist or flat twist, you can check my other video because I explain more on that, how to flat twist your hair. And there's many other videos that you can find that provide you with more details on how you can flat twist your hair. But for this video, I will simply show you how I do the style. So I continue to flat twist the hair. I continue to flat twist each part of the sections. Like I said, I separate each of the sections in two, making sure that they are well moisturized even before I touch them so that I can work with them easily. So question for you, what is your favorite hairstyles for natural hair? For me, I do love twist outs in summertime, and if I'm going somewhere formal, even casual, I would do a twist out. But for winter time, which we are right now, I usually use more protective styles because it's a very dry season, and that of course doesn't help natural hair to stay moisturized. But I am interested to know what people are doing, especially if you have natural hair or similar hair as myself. I am curious to know what other people are doing, especially if you also have several seasons like we have in Canada. I also understand that summertime can be really dry depending on where you live. So it's equally important to keep your hair moisturized in winter time as well as summertime. In summertime, I usually do a protective style as well if I feel like I need it. And I would leave, styling my hair like a twist out for when it's not too dry out. This hairstyle can be used for several occasions. if you're going to hang out, if you're going for dinner. I find that this hairstyle is a quick hairstyle that you can do for different type of occasions. So now that I'm done flat twisting my hair, I'm going to put it into a bantu knot so that it can have more volume and to have more curl definition. As you can see, I am twirling each hair strands into itself, and then we're going to twirl it into a bantu knot. Don't worry, I will not go to sleep like this. It would probably be really uncomfortable, and we definitely don't want that, right? So I'm ready to take it down now, and at this point, as you can imagine, I couldn't wait to see what it was going to look like. I was excited because it's the first time that I tried it with the bantu knot. And of course, I'm going to open them up to make sure that I untwist them. It's also a good practice to have a little bit of oil in your fingers as you untwist it. That will reduce the risk of having freezing hair and keeping your curl patterns intact. Although it's hard to get the back, make sure you do the same things. Try to have a little bit of oil in your hand and untwist the back as well to make sure that your curls patterns stays intact. So far, I like my curl definition, and I like that my hair is able to look shorter than normal, and it has so much volume, which is exactly what I wanted. And I'm just opening them as much as I can to make sure I have more volume. For this last step, I'm using a hair pick to lift it up to make my hair look fluffier and bigger. The bigger, the better for this style. Making sure I have everything, including the back, to ensure that my hair has the same volume all around. So there you have it. That completes the look. I really like the volume. I like how short my hair looks. For someone that has a little bit longer hair, I do like having, shorter hair sometimes. So there you have it. Please let me know if you like it. And of course, please like and subscribe if you like this type of video. Take care and have a good one. Bye.